Well, here we are. We are going to make roll eggs with my hand carders. Never actually done a large scale spinning project with hand card, but what the heck. So let's start by putting some fuzz on there, and then just gently, or actually do it this way. This seems to do a much better job and gives me a lot of flyaway that I can start breathing in. By the way, I very rarely actually use my hand carders, so if there's a better way of doing it, please let me know in the comments. You can see I got this lovely little fluff coming out the back side there. So I'm just gonna put it back in, and I'm gonna make as much on this, on each of these little roll eggs to so I have stuff to actually spin with. And there we go. That looks nice and full. So now I'll just take and carefully peel it off. Now, because I'm not doing this on the drum carder, the fibers will not all be lined up as nice and pretty. So the resulting yarn is going to be a little bit rougher. That's okay. And there we have it. One lovely little roll egg. One roll egg. Ha 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 ha. Sorry, Count, I couldn't help myself. And there we go. I'm going to put that one aside and do it again. It's amazing what people thought about how to do stuff a long time ago, because people have been spinning and weaving fibers for a long time. One thing this is going to do, though, it's going to knock a lot of the little pieces of twig and a little bit of the dirt that may still be in the fiber itself. I mean, it was a dog. Dogs love to do stuff in the mud. And just that being said, this is really clean fiber. Oh, lovely little. You see, they got some of these longer guard fibers. You may not be able to see that very clearly, but there they are. Add a little bit of extra texture to this. Can't wait to actually spin this to see how it spins. A little bit of VM. Looks like a twig. Don't need that. Ouch. Technical note, don't put your fingers on the pins. They're sharp. And let's just take off a little bit of this. I think I've got enough. Instead of doing it this way, I sure feel it on this part of my arms. And there we go. It always helps to have the sound effects. There we are. Second little roll egg. One beautiful roll egg. Two beautiful roll egg. Again, my apologies to the count. And that's where we'll call it there. I have a lot more roll eggs to make.